Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And click on the settings button. And then if you scroll down a bit, you will see the frequently asked questions button. So just click onto that. And as you can see, there are a bunch of questions listed here, and if you scroll down, you will most likely find a solution for a specific problem that you have. So just as you can see, there are questions and there are some pretty good and detailed answers attached to each of them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.